Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday warned against what he called the new challenge of black fungus and said the country must be prepared to fight the rare and potentially fatal condition that is being increasingly seen in recovering COVID patients. The South Asian nation's infection tally stands at 26.03 million with a death toll of 291,331.
Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday said that mucormycosis or black fungus, a rare infection that has sprung up in patients recovering from the coronavirus, has emerged as a new challenge in India's fight against the pandemic, and it is important to prepare systems to tackle it. The Prime Minister, addressing frontline workers in his constituency Varanasi, said that India was having to fight on several fronts in the second wave of the pandemic, and the country's new mantra is, wherever the disease is, there should be treatment. The symptoms of black fungus include headache, fever, pain under the eyes, nasal or sinus congestion, and partial loss of vision. India's Health Ministry on Thursday asked state governments to declare it as a notifiable disease under the Epidemics Act, meaning they have to identify and track every case.
हमारी इस लड़ाई में अभी इन दिनों ब्लैक फंगस की एक और नई चुनौती भी सामने आई है। इससे निपटने के लिए जरूरी सावधानी और व्यवस्था पर ध्यान देना जरूरी है।
India on Friday reported 259,551 new coronavirus infections over the last 24 hours, taking the cases tally to 26.03 million, with a death toll of 291,331 so far. Prime Minister Modi emphasized that vaccination should be a mass movement in the long battle against COVID. Despite being the world's largest vaccine producer, India has managed to fully inoculate only 3% of its 1.3 billion population so far.